Welcome to Direct RC. I'm Zach, and today we are giving the Arrma Mojave Grom a heart transplant, and then we're gonna go ahead and send that thing to the gym. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay up to date on the great products we have to offer at directrc.com. The Mojave Grom, available at directrc.com, is one of the most popular mini basher out there right now. Great looks, confident handling, and a compact size makes this Mojave an RC car you want to drive all the time. Despite all these great features, the brush motor in the Grom leaves more to be desired. We feel the Arrma Grom could use some more speed and power because they do drive so well. This is where Furitek comes in. This is the Furitek Scorpion brushless system for the Arrma Grom. It is a 5600 kV censored motor ESC system made to give your 18 scale Grom more of a sting. It comes with an IC2 connector, so you can use the existing battery that's already there. The built-in Bluetooth module allows for easy tuning through the Furitek car app, available on Android and iOS. Installing this system into the Grom takes about 30 minutes to an hour, and there's no need to worry about mounting the ESC, as you can use the Grom's ESC as a mounting bracket. Once installed, we took it out on the streets for a bash session. I'll be honest with you, the power was a bit intense at first. Definitely was not expected.
Go.
Once you do some light tuning, you get more comfortable with the power though, you realize how smooth the throttle increase is, and it becomes more comfortable. This brushless system is for your intermediate and experienced drivers. Just say it. Hands down.
For experienced RC drivers.
Hands down, some of the most fun I've had driving brushless RC in quite some time. Installing the Nexx Racing Reservoir shocks and the Furitek Scorpion brushless system takes this Mojave Grom to a whole nother level of bashing performance. All these products and more can be found at directrc.com. We offer free shipping to all 50 states of orders of $100 or more. Thank you for joining me. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time bashing Groms on the streets.